Hi friends, welcome to WizBusters. I'm Emma, and today I'm going to talk about the mid function. Before we begin, stay updated with new videos, so be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified of the latest videos out. What does the mid function do? Well, the mid function extracts a string of characters from inside another string. What does the mid function return? It returns a string of characters which you extracted. To use the mid function, we need to tell Google Sheets or Excel three things. 1. What text do we want to search? 2. The starting position of the first character that we want to extract. And 3. How many characters to extract. These are the three parameters in the mid function. In Google Sheets, you will see this: mid, open parentheses, string starting at extract length, while in Excel you'll see mid, text, start num, and num cars. So let's take a look at an example. In this table, we have the names of some countries. We want to extract the middle 4 characters starting from the third character. To do this, we use the mid function. If we type in the mid function, recall there are 3 parameters. Firstly, what text do we want to search? Well, the text is in this cell, so we click this cell. We place our comma between our parameters. The next parameter, where is the first character located for which we want to extract? We want to start from the third character because we said extract the middle 4 characters starting from the third character. So our first character that we want to extract starts at position 3, so we type in 3 there. And the third parameter, extract length, is how many characters do we want to extract? Well, we want to extract 4 characters, so we type in 4 there. We close the function with the parentheses and press enter. This is the result we get. If we do a quick check, we see that it matches with our result. The third character is R, and 4 characters, including R, is 1, 2, 3, 4 is N. So RMAN, we should get that. Let's drag the formula down to be applied to the rest of the row in the column. And let's do another check to see if that matches with our result. Let's say Portugal. The third character is R. 1, 2, 3, 4, G, so RTUG, that's correct. So let's do another quick example before we wrap up. Suppose we want to extract the middle 3 characters starting from the second character. So let's use the mid function. We have 3 parameters. The first parameter we want is to tell Google Sheets what text we want to search. Well, the text that we want to search is in this cell, so we type in there. And then the second parameter, where is the first character located for which we want to extract? And the first character, we want to extract the middle 3 characters starting from the second character. So we type in 2 because the first character starts at position 2. And the third parameter is extract length. How many characters do we want to extract? We want to extract 3 characters. So we type in 3, close the function, we autofill. If we do a quick check, we see that it matches with our result. Let's do Australia. Second character is U. 3 characters including U. 1, 2, 3. UST. So there we go. That's how to use the mid function. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get more videos like this, and hit the bell to get notifications of the latest videos out. See you in the next video.